Tired of constantly vacuuming up pet hair and everyday dirt? A robot vacuum can make a huge difference. Today I'm testing the UNINELL UR3 to see how well it handles everyday cleaning, how smart the navigation is, and how much maintenance you actually have to do. And one of the things I'm most interested in is this self-emptying station, which can hold up to 90 days of dirt, pet hair, and debris. Right out of the box, what's included is the quick guide setup and manual, the UR3 robot vacuum, the self-emptying station, an extra dust bag, a remote control with batteries, the mop bracket assembly and an extra mop pad, also a HEPA filter and 2 side brushes, one that we will also install. The UR3 has a pretty straightforward design, and the charging station doubles as the dust collection station, so once the robot finishes cleaning, it can return here automatically. This is probably one of the most convenient features of the UR3. Instead of having to empty the robot's dustbin after every cleaning, it automatically transfers the debris into the larger 3.5 liter dust bag. It can hold up to 90 days of dirt, pet hair, and debris depending on how much debris and dirt your home produces. So for pet owners especially, this could mean a lot less hands-on maintenance. Now let's see how it actually performs. The UR3 has up to 7,000 PA of suction, and it automatically increases suction when it detects carpet. I'm going to put down some debris and let it make a pass to see how much it picks up. It did a really good job. For homes with pets or long hair, the brush design is also meant to reduce hair wrapping around the roller, which should mean less time spent cutting hair out of the brush. A really impressive feature about the UR3 is the LiDAR navigation, which is used to scan the space and create a map of your home. Rather than randomly driving around, it can use that map to clean in a more organized pattern. Once the map is created, you can use the app to choose specific rooms or areas to clean instead of sending the robot through the entire house. You can also create no-go zones, which can be useful around things like pet bowls or areas where you don't want the robot going. It can also remember up to 5 different floor maps, which is especially useful if you have a multi-level home. Next, I wanted to see how well it does going around obstacles like chair legs, boxes, or larger objects. One thing to keep in mind is that this isn't using an AI camera system to identify smaller objects on the floor. The LiDAR system is better suited to larger obstacles, so I would still pick up things like cords, socks, or small objects before starting a cleaning cycle. But you can see here it's doing really well around chair legs and larger items and furniture. The UR3 also has a mopping function, but it's important to set the right expectations here. This is designed more for everyday light mopping and keeping floors fresh rather than tackling really dried on or stubborn stains. For deeper stains, you're still going to want to do some manual cleaning, but for everyday maintenance, having the robot vacuum and then mop the floor can be really convenient. You can see the light messes I've had right here, and it's doing really well. Another benefit to this robot vacuum is the 180-minute runtime. It can cover up to about 2,000 square feet on a single charge. It is also designed to operate quietly enough that it shouldn't be too disruptive while you're working, relaxing, or even sleeping. There are a few different ways to control the UR3. You can use the app for things like scheduling, zone cleaning, and setting boundaries, and multi-floor mapping, which it can remember up to 5 different maps. It also works with Alexa and Google Assistant for voice control. And then if you're someone who isn't comfortable with smart home apps, there is the remote that's included. So you don't have to connect that to Wi-Fi or anything. And lastly, you can also use the actual robot vacuum to pause and continue, and then also send back to the dock for charging. There are definitely a lot of things I like about the UR3, especially the self-emptying station, mapping, and the amount of control you get. The main things to keep in mind are that you still need to pick up small objects before cleaning, and the mopping is really intended for everyday maintenance rather than deep stain removal. Overall, I think the UNINELL UR3 makes the most sense for someone who wants to automate their everyday vacuuming without having to constantly empty the dustbin or manually move the robot from room to room. The combination of 7000 PA suction, automatic carpet boost, LiDAR mapping, up to 5 saved floor plans, 180-minute runtime, and especially the self-emptying station makes it a practical option for everyday cleaning. And if you have pets, the combination of strong suction, the anti-tangle brush, and the large self-emptying dust bag is especially useful. For regular dust, pet hair, crumbs, and light daily mopping, the UR3 is perfect.